All-in-one Ceramic Capacitor Assortment Kit by PulsEvo. This kit includes 10 commonly used capacitor values, 30 pieces of each type, with 300 capacitors. You'll never run out of ideas for your projects. A durable plastic storage box always helps you to keep the capacitors organized and to transport the capacitor kit anywhere. These premium assorted capacitors comes with high-quality assorted multilayer ceramic with a 5% tolerance. They are widely used in power supply, lighting equipment, home appliances, communications, security equipment, automotive electronics, new energy fields, and more. PulsEvo Assorted Kit is a perfect choice for your electronic components to increase their working hour.